the
So
CAF.
magkano yung 2025?
2025 is 1.250 billion.
And how many were serviced by the...
Around
By that
40
amount.
plus thousand,
40,000.
Kong. But in 2021, we just started with 3,000 patients. Imagine the
Wow.
exponential growth ng cancer patients. Pero kulang pa rin yun, Kong, yung 1.250. Kasi yung 2025, August pa lang, nagre-report na ang mga hospitals natin na ubus na ang Cancer Assistance Fund.
So kaya ka nandito, Kong Robert?
Yes,
Kasi
Kong.
August pa lang ubos
Oo.
na. 2026 magkano inilagay?
1.5 billion.
1.5. Pero I think, Kong, love, kulang tong 1.5
Oh, kasi
billion.
ma'am,
But based on your projections, ilan ang meron cancer sa
based sa data natin, sir, and estimates, ang total new cases natin in the Philippines is around 188,000.
So,
how much are we
188,000.
spending per patient?
Wala akong data ko ngayon Pero
If
kung
1.250
1.250 divided by
magkano per patient
40,000,
normally?
ang CAF natin, ma'am, 150,000 per
Per
patient.
person, per patient. Yun yung
CAF lang yun,
maximum.
ma'am. Maximum yun. Kung sana mataas yung budget natin, we're planning kung for 2026, at least 180,000 to
180.
200,000
Kasi
sana.
anong mga pinaka-major gastos na isang cancer patient? Anong pwedeng i-charge sa 180,000?
Yung pinag-usapan lang natin kanina kung na one-time payment, yung PET scan na kailangan sa surveillance ng
And that's
patient.
already around
60,
60,000.
80,000. Oo.
So, ibig
How
sabihin,
often do you have to get the PET?
Depende lang. Depende sa sa doctor kung kailan siya sino-surveillance. Pero some of the patients get their PET scan after 1 year of being in remission or after having chemotherapy. Depende din sa
so kung kunwari
sa type
kailangan ko
of cancer.
magpa-PET scan,
Mm.
pupunta ako dun sa mga nakalista kanina dito na may Cancer
Yes.
Assistance Fund, sasagutin ng ospital na yon.
Sasagutin ng ospital
So,
ko.
paano na sasabihin nila, pwede niyo po bang i-charge sa Cancer Assistance
Yes.
Fund?
Opo.
How do our patients go about it?
Will the hospitals know that already? They already know the procedure na if may cancer yung pasyente, i-charge sila doon.
They know that because we have a policy with DBM on that.
Sasabihan ba sila?
Sasabihan dapat sila kung, no?
Oo.
Sabihan niyo ako pag hindi nila sabihan yun.
Okay.
So kung makikita niyo kung sa mga hospitals natin, may mga malalaking tarpaulin yan what to do with cancer. So if you go to NKTI, may mga tarpaulins yan na
Pero alam mo,
nakapaskil.